Hello there and welcome to Spy Equipment UK. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Wi-Fi radio clock camera. Now when you get the box, everything you see here should be inside. You get your plug, the USB cable, you get some batteries to work the actual clock as well, and your standard SD card and SD card adapter. Now the way that it works, essentially it looks like a normal camera from the front. You got the two buttons here which will help you set the clock on the front as well. Right, let's have a look at the back panel a little bit closer now. So you've got your DC input here. That's actually used to power the camera. So you can't power the camera using the battery compartment here. That's just for the clock on the front. And you've also got the power button there, which you need to press to get the camera started. You've also got the SD card slot to the right of it, and the USB port. Now you've got the two options here. You can either take out the SD card to retrieve the files, or you can use the USB cable and plug it straight into the computer as well to get everything off there. And on the right hand side you've got the lights which show you how to connect it up and what it's doing, and also some of the options you can do to either set it to continuous or motion recording, and where to turn the infrared on as well. And finally on the right hand side you've got the light sensor which helps you set the infrared as well. Right, now we're going to have a quick look and see what the out looks like. Okay, to set up the IP camera, all you have to do is firstly connect up to the camera directly. So right here you can see it's called P002917. So it's going to change the Wi-Fi so it connects directly up. So it's still connecting. There we go. So now it's done. You should already have downloaded the PVCam viewer. Just simply click on that and you get brought to the main menu, where you need to click on Device Management and then Add. And it gives you the option to either manually put in the code on the bottom of the camera or to scan it. So in this instance we're going to scan it. Camera, just scan the QR code like that and it automatically connects up. And then you can click on through to it. So sorry, go into recorder setting, and then you should be able to view what's happening through the camera live. There you go. To connect up to the Wi-Fi, simply get back into device management, go into the settings, and then go through the process of turning on the internet Wi-Fi and add in the Wi-Fi settings. And that's pretty much it.